Here's a quick check of the air filter, cabin air filter I've just installed in the ML500. I want to see if after a day or two of running the new air filter, if any more crud has dropped into this thing from residual stuff that was lying around. So I'm going to unclip this thing once again. There's the new air filter. Let's pull it out and see what's in here. Of course, it just popped right down for us. And nothing came out, so I'm pretty happy to say that this thing is good to go. Again, the airflow goes toward the driver's side, which is the evaporator coil, which is visible up there. That's the evaporator coil right there. So let's put this back in here, and I'll probably now be able to seal up the dash and put the parts back on, the louver back on the bottom here, so that I don't have to check this thing anymore because it looks like it's all good to go. So again, we put this back up here and we tuck this little notch. Let's see, camera, notch. We tuck this little back notch into the back, and might have trouble getting this thing to stay up here this time. There we go. Tuck the notch in the back, get it in the front, click it, and forget it. It's in, it's done. I'm going to put the dash back together. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.